Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by disconnecting the battery and waiting 5 minutes. This prevents shorts while you work. Once done, remove the visible screws and pry plastic clips carefully using a panel tool to avoid gouging. Label each screw bag as you go, so reassembly is fast. Now expose the damaged area and assess. Note soft spots, deep cracks, and faded texture. This assessment tells you whether to repair, fill, or replace panels, so be thorough before moving to sanding or adhesives. You need to remove old coatings and roughen the surface, so sand with 120 grit, then follow with 220 for a smooth finish. Feather the edges so repairs blend. Once sanded, clean with isopropyl alcohol and apply flexible epoxy or a dash-specific filler into cracks. Press to remove air, then let cure fully. After curing, sand smooth and apply an adhesion-promoting primer. Make sure to test paint and texture on a scrap piece, so you confirm color and finish before spraying. You finish by applying a compatible texture coat, then 2 light top coats, allowing proper dry time between layers to avoid runs. Once fully cured, reassemble the dash in reverse order. Reconnect gauges, secure screws to a snug torque, and reconnect the battery last. Make sure all electrical connections are seated and test each gauge. If you encounter peeling or lifting, stop, sand back to a solid edge, reprime with adhesion promoter, and use a flexible top coat designed for dash plastics. This fixes common adhesion issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.